Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my page, One Sick Build. I'm here today. We're got to go to Collins Performance in Summerville, South Carolina, and let him go over his shop and what he can offer you. But today we're going to take the Supra up to his shop, and we're going to put the MSS coilover spring overs on the Supra today, and put the Ray wheels that I purchased on the car. So we're going to have a little transformation today. So check it out. Yeah, they love me in the neighborhood. Shots fired. Little POV for you on the way to Matt's Collins Performance. Ready to get the suspension on the Supra and get these wheels on it. It's going to look so good. Hopefully we won't have this huge gap. Right to 3. Drop it down, put some better wheels, some tires on. It's gonna look so good. This is Matt's. Looking good, looking good. Some more of these cars he's got here. Got Evo out here. I think I hear him rolling up right now. Carolina here in a minute. Check it out. All right, so we already got the tires mounted on the wheels. It's looking good, looking real good. This is going to be the installation for today. The MSS coils, adjustability. Hey, I'm back. Y'all saw me do the POV ride over here to Matt Collins' shop, and I'm gonna let him give the spew of what he can offer you in the Charleston, Summerville area.
All right, guys, what's going on? My name is Matt Collins. I'm the owner, tuner, lead technician, jack of all trades here, office manager, you name it, at Collins Automotive and Performance. We're up here in Summerville, South Carolina, right near downtown Summerville. Great location. Basically, we're a Japanese import performance shop specializing in mostly Subaru, Toyota, Nissan, some other stuff. I have a nice big shop here, 4 lifts, alignment rack, tire machines, the all-wheel drive Mustang dyno right here, which we do mostly Subaru tuning, Evo tuning, and I'm doing a little bit of B58 Supra stuff now as well. So
awesome, awesome. Which he has a red Supra as well too.
Yep. So today we're going to be doing Wesley's lowering springs, yep, and hopefully get the wheels and tires mounted up.
Yeah, and we'll try to show you some things of how to do the install. I'm not going to go in full detail, but we'll show y'all how it's going to be done pretty much in the simplest form. And he also has, you know, tire machines, balance. I mean, you name it, he's got it. Just get with him. Thank you. We got the wheels off right now. Matt's getting the MSS springs situated. Gonna go through the packaging. We'll have the install here soon. Yeah, it's really clean. So we got the adjustability collars right there. That's gonna be the game changer right there. And the only reason I went with these for the fact that all the stuff that they were talking about online is that the HKS ones are great, but how you have to adjust these are going to be a lot harder. You have to remove the perch, I think, or drop the thing down the rear just to get to it. And this, you can do it while it's on the car. So a lot easier to make your adjustments. And the packaging is really well. They even give you data sheets to keep. like that. Pretty straightforward. It's good to have a shop, but you can't do this at your house with jacks.